I'm curious to see myself how this new camera is gonna take the footage. I have never seen it before by myself, so very curious. And if I come out of the main street, I'm gonna extend it a little farther so that it'll be fun to see like a wide view. Let's extend it a bit and see what happens. There you go. The funniest part is the sun is directly in front of the lens, so I'm not sure about the lens flare. So anyway, in today's video I want to talk about the Cafe Racer windscreen that I put on the bike here today. I don't know if it's preventing any wind. I think it's more for the style and nothing to do with wind deflection. All right, and I'm gonna bring that camera back closer because it's too much extended. That looks better. So alright, just a quick test ride to see how this windscreen performs. That's all, nothing fancy. Alright guys, so I think I'm enjoying this new camera, dual camera. Let me know what you guys think. One I have in the front facing me, facing the bike, so that it gives you a real-time third-party perspective, and the GoPro camera on the helmet is actually recording the ride with sound because the mic is attached to the GoPro. So that's how it is. I think we will take a left turn here. Woohoo! I love the way it handles. I can even go in 20 miles per hour on third gear and still pull so hard. That's the fun of this bike. Today is 4th of July. Nothing much going on the road due to the situation and the lockdown. That's the fun. Love to do that on this bike. So how do you guys like the style of the Cafe Racer? I definitely like it much better because I like the round shape that kind of gives a complete look to the cruiser, especially with the sissy bar and the luggage bar that I attached. So I don't personally like the headlights, the OEM shape. It's like a peach looking, or the kind of a love symbol kind of headlight. I wish Kawasaki does something in the future to bring a round headlight. There is a mod bike, I'll put the photo here. I like the style of that, but in order to do that it needs, I think, cutting metal and welding and stuff like that, so I can't do that mod. I wish someone else comes up with third-party round shaped headlight. Until then, only thing that I can do is you know, go with the Cafe Racer windshield. But no complaints, because Cafe Racer looks pretty good even with the OEM shaped headlight. I have done so many mods on this bike so far. There is much more to do. I had to change the mirror, put the boost plug and certain other things, but I'm planning to make a video on all the mods that I did on this bike. I'll take you through one by one so you guys can see all the changes that I did and how it changed the way it looked. I'm personally liking it so much, and it's all about customizing to your liking, and this bike has pretty good option to do that. Some of them are pretty expensive, so like the exhaust mod, I would prefer to do a exhaust, but it's so expensive, so I'm not gonna do it. Anyway, that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, consider subscribing to this channel if you haven't already, and if you are new here, appreciate all your support and like. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.